Propanc Biopharma, PCBB, is making waves after its Nasdaq debut, with shares soaring more than 146% in Monday's trading on staggering volume exceeding 48 million shares. The sharp move comes just days after its initial public offering of 1 million shares, which the company confirmed closed on Monday. The biotech, focused on developing novel treatments for cancer through its proprietary proenzyme therapy approach, has quickly captured retail attention. Many investors are pointing to the combination of low float, fresh capital infusion, and biotech catalysts as reasons behind the explosive price action. Community discussions are buzzing with comparisons to other recent high flyers that experienced rapid post IPO runs, with some traders eyeing the potential for a short squeeze given the stock's thin float. On the flip side, skeptics warn that such parabolic moves often face sharp corrections, especially in microcap biotech names with limited revenue and high cash burn. Still, bullish traders highlight the company's focus on advancing PRP, its lead proenzyme therapy candidate, which aims to target and eradicate cancer stem cells, a potentially groundbreaking approach in oncology. They see the IPO as a financial lifeline that could extend Propanc's runway and increase institutional visibility. For now, PCBB remains one of the most heavily debated names in small cap biotech as investors weigh its speculative upside potential against extreme volatility risks.
Okay, so the stock has I think this is the second trading. No, I think started trading on Monday the 11th. Yeah, I think started trading Monday the 11th. However, it hasn't been around long enough. It's a biotech play, clinical stage. I don't think today is the best time to buy the stock. All these stocks, these biotech stocks, the clinical stage ones, it's always best to buy when you've done your due diligence. Um, you know what's on the pipeline. They always advertise the timelines and the date of phase two results and all those kind of things. So you take advantage of those and you buy. You know, but I don't think today is the best time to buy for with regard to this stock. It's definitely going to come back. It's going to most certainly going to pull back, and when it does pull back, it will present a good buying opportunity. For now, most certainly not, and you probably know that yourself. But regardless of all of that, we can still find out what the projections are saying. We have, let's see what we have here. 13.58 was printed today, so that's definitely an upper projection. 13.58. Let's see, we have 7.87, 7.84 there. Here we have 8.67. Let's see what we have here. We have 10.02. I'm only mentioning the topmost projections at the various points. Let's see what we have here. We might have higher prices here. Here we have 9.11. So we have already seen $13. So okay, yeah, we have even higher prices. We have here 24.73, 22.29, 18.36, 13.32. So let's just make a note of those. PPCB of 13.32. And then we have 18.36, 22.29, 24.73. Yeah, let's see what we have there. This is 1850, 13.58. Okay, 13.58. So yeah, let's see the business summary. So this is an Australian-based clinical biopharmaceutical company. Company is focused on the development of novel cancer treatments for patients suffering from pancreatic, ovarian, and colorectal cancers. The company has developed a rational composite formulation of anti-cancer compounds, which together exert a number of effects designed to control or prevent tumors from recurring and spreading through the body. Its leader product candidate, PRP, is a variation upon its formulation and involves proenzymes, the inactive precursors of enzymes. PRP is a long-term therapy based on pancreatic proenzyme formulation to prevent tumor recurrence and metastasize. PRP is a patented formulation consisting of two proenzymes mixed in synergetic ratio. PRP is the preclinical phase of develop. Is it the preclinical phase of development? Its drug pipeline includes a POP1. Let's see what their website is saying. Product pipeline. Let's see. So actually, we don't have timelines or anything like phase two. It would be good if we had these things to help investors and traders know when they come when to come in and all that. But with the as you can see, there isn't anything there. That's not very good. Not good at all. Not good. Not good. You don't want to tie your money down waiting for any of these. You want to know when they are coming, and then you get in. You don't want to tie your money infinitely. You don't exactly know when they're going to come. You wouldn't want to do that. Let's see, technology, nothing. I mean, this uh, any press releases, publications. Well, you could go to press releases and see what they're saying, or probably to investors page. August 14 announces. Let's see here, press releases, presentations. Maybe you might find some here, but product pipeline should have helped. Stock data, news and events, press releases, presentations, profile. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So projections we have 13.32, 13.58, 18.36, 22.29, 24.73. Today, most certainly not the best time to buy. Yeah. Just do your due diligence and find out when to be really good to do so, but most certainly not today, given what's going on now. And these biotech stocks, the clinical stage ones, it's always good to target something coming up as against or I mean some people just buy because maybe it's depressed, the stock has bottomed, and at some point some positive news might come out. You can make a case in such case, you can make a case in such cases, and but now for this one it's up 129%. Clearly not the time to buy. Yeah, let's see. It's and also it hasn't been around long enough, so we can't. If I begin to talk about these extrapolations, they're only going to be by the time I finish. By the time I finish recording this, they will not be relevant anymore. So, 45 minutes, I don't think we'll have any extrapolations now. So scanty. Yeah, it's just nothing much, nothing there in terms of extrapolations. So yeah, just see what you make of the stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.